not scared because I'm about to reach. I've already fallen into the river and my shoes are wet. And even he has fallen in the river and his shoes are wet. When I fell, he laughed. Immediately after 10 seconds, he fell and I laughed.
360-degree view of this
Valley.
सो गाइस मॉर्निंग ट्रैक तो हो नहीं पाया, लेकिन हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुँच चुके हैं डेविड स्कॉट ट्रेल करने के लिए। तो यहाँ पर एंट्री फीस हम लोग को लगे 550, जो कि सब मिला के आई मीन कैमरा हो या फिर कंट्रीब्यूशन सब मिला के 550। और यहाँ से या डेवलपमेंट फॉर द कम्युनिटी। आर यू रेडी? ओके लेट्स गो। तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी ट्रेल के लिए, चलो।
So guys, we are here now at the start of the David Trail. So you can see the beautiful mountains besides me, and here is our great Gedema, Mr. Diban, Mr. Malang number 2, taking his gear on with the cameras. So let's go down. So there are actually two pathways. One is the easy one and one is towards the steep one. So we are planning to take the steep one. So let's have a look and we'll update you. We have started our trail. This is the view. Our main aim is to reach down there in the river. It's gonna be quite a long trail. It's around some 16 kilometers. So the way is really beautiful, you know. Just around me the weather is really cool, and let's hope that it's a good trek, an adventurous one. There's some few people who have started a trek just maybe 100-200 meters who are in front of us. So we're just behind them and we'll be just enjoying the view over here. And it's really nice, serene, and look at a Malang number 2. Actually, the thing was that we were supposed to go for a different trek as we have started with a video. And we felt a bit bad because that bridge was under construction. But still then, in life, एक चीज तो है, never give up. So we drove again another 40.
You have to be flexible.
Yes, because whatever you want in life, भगवान नहीं देते. Because there are reasons for that, and we take it that way, and we drove another 40 kilometers, and now we are here. You never get tired driving in Meghalaya because the landscape is so beautiful. You never get tired.
Destination doesn't matter, it's not very important. You have to enjoy.
So fine, I know you're all aboard seeing us, so we'll show you the nature after some time when we get some scenic view. Bye bye. We are now climbing down. I cannot show you how we are climbing down, but yeah, we are climbing down. It's quite steep. Our Malang number 2 is up. You can see how he's struggling a bit to climb down.
I love my name.
Yeah, I love my name too. Malang number 1 and he's Malang number 2. Actually, he was
say the meaning
before
of Malang.
Before I before we started trekking together or something like that. He was Malang number 1. And I was
Malang. You have been like
हम लोग मलांग का मीनिंग बोलेंगे ब्रेक के बाद. इसका मतलब वीडियो खत्म होने के बाद. So till then, continue to watch the video till you know the meaning of Malang.
तो I think आपको अच्छी वाली जो ग्रिप होती है ना, वो शूज़ आपको पहनना चाहिए, स्पेशली मानसून में, क्योंकि शूज़ अगर ख़राब हो तो आप फिसल भी सकते हो. तो इसलिए मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूँगा कि अच्छे वाले प्रॉपर ट्रैकिंग शूज़ पहन के आए, वरना कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे वाइल्ड फ्लावर्स भी, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो ना, ये देखो कितने प्यारे फूल है। कलर जो है बहुत ही ब्राइट और बहुत स्वीट है कलर। और यहाँ पे बहुत शांत है अभी, मतलब आई एम एन्जॉइंग द वाइब एक्चुअली, क्योंकि यहाँ पे लोग नहीं है, बस जॉन और मैं हूँ। कैसा लग रहा है भाई साहब? बढ़िया। तो कुछ ही देर में हम लोगों को वहाँ पे एक प्यारा सा नदी दिखाई देगा। मैं आपको ज़रूर अपडेट देता रहूँगा। एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू लॉस्ट इन द नेचर, जस्ट टू फील दिस sound of nature, bird chirping around, hopping around. So it's so mesmerizing and pleasing. तो हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं जंगल की ओर। बहुत घने जंगल है। अभी अंधेरा भी हो गया क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पेड़ पौधे यहाँ पे देखो, इसलिए थोड़ा सा डार्क हो गया है। पता नहीं ये कैमरा क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही होगी। और हम लोगों को यहाँ पे कुछ भाई मिल गए हैं, तो ये लोग भी ट्रैकिंग के मज़ा ले रहे हैं। Can you see the clarity of water? It's so clean. तो स्वेटिंग होने के बाद कपड़े बदल रहे हैं ये लोग, और मैं भी अभी बदलूँगा क्योंकि बहुत पसीना आ रहा है। कभी कभी नेचर में आके पागल जैसा, मतलब बचपना जैसा कर देता है हरकत। तो अब प्लीज़ मुझे गलत मत समझिएगा, क्योंकि ये तो खुशी है ना नेचर में आके करना। टाउन में, सिटी में क्या कहाँ मिल रही है।
भाई साहब ने कुछ बचपना कर दिया तो हम भी कुछ कर देते हैं। स्टे ट्यून। So guys, this is the trail that we have come through now. As we told you from top that we'll be coming down to this river. So from top we have climbed down, and right now we are just nearby the river. So you can see this beautiful river flowing. So we just have to follow this trail, and then a lot of amazing things coming up. And there were small streams. We washed our face with a fresh water. Really a nice experience, guys. So let's see what's there in store for us ahead. We have reached one of the very beautiful destination, that is this bridge, which is being suspended by these wires. So you can see how beautiful it is. और हमारा
Yes,
यहाँ पे
just see this bridge. It's in the middle and
it's made of wood. So
actually it was
yeah,
built by British.
yeah, it was built by
Very
this,
old.
It's quite old, and it looks quite strong. So yeah, let's enjoy going on this bridge and have a good time. It's not scary. It's just being suspended. It's like yeah, it shakes. Can you feel it? Yes. भाई कोई गाना वाना नहीं आ रहा है। It's shaking literally.
Yeah,
तो
it's
मेरे को
और ये
मेरे
देखो,
को-
watch out.
मेरे को हाइट का थोड़ा डर है भाई, स्विमिंग भी नहीं आता है।
And this is quite old. Just see.
Yeah.
The quality of the wood is like very old. And yeah, this river is giving me some.
Now I'm not scared because I'm about to reach. So guys, the 360-degree view
360-degree view of this
valley.
valley. Yeah, lots of flowers, lots of greenery over here. And yeah, feel like dancing. The sun is up, it's strong, so need to, hydrate yourself and wear the sun cap.
Yay!
Loving it.
So guys, now we are in a river and we are gonna cross this small stream with fresh water. You can see some people are partying over here. This is a 360 degree. So we're just gonna climb right up to the mountain and let's see what's there. And the sun right above us. So one video of our Malang number 2 crossing the river. They say I've already fallen into the river and my shoes are wet. And even he has fallen in the river and his shoes are wet. So all the shoes are wet. When I fell, he laughed. Immediately after 10 seconds, he fell and I laughed. Right now, we are climbing again another mountain range. We have been trekking since the last 1.5 hours. So a lot of things to do on the way. Click a lot of peaks because we couldn't resist it. It was so tempting with the clear blue sky and the green nature, Mother Earth, and the streams and waters flowing here and there. So fresh, so clear, with the sounds of the stream, chirping of birds, and the beauty of nature. So we are right now, me and Malang number 2 are climbing up the hill. We climbed down the hill.
Just few minutes ago it was like flat area. Now
Yes.
we are just like ascending.
So you can just see we just have to climb quite a lot. Frankly speaking, we are not at all tired. We actually thought we would be tired, but no. Maybe because along with our minds, our bodies also taking up the things well. So let's see what's there on top. It'll take another maybe an hour to climb up. So see you there. Basically guys, we are almost there on the top. I guess it's really beautiful, and the trek is it's not that easy, but one good thing about this trek is there are some bricks which is being laid over the way, which gives you it's like the granite stones or something like that, which has been laid over here. And it's really nice, pretty looking place with ferns and all those pinky flowers on the sides, and beautiful pine trees down, and a blue sky, and our Malang number 2
And all the birds,
chirping around. So actually we're having a really good trek and we are really enjoying it, though we are getting a bit feeling the tiredness because we have been climbing up and up and up. Very excited to see what's there on the top and and share it with you guys. So we have finally reached on the top of the mountain. So the ways are also not clear from here on, so we are not taking the risk of going further down or somewhere, because again we have a long way back for the trek. So it's quite beautiful though over here.
It's a nature walk.
Yeah. So our aim is to now go take a plunge in the river, in that beautiful river, and just stay there for at least half an hour to 1 hour, and just cleanse our body with that pure water.
If possible, we'll take some underwater shots.
Yes, underwater shots coming up. I'm really scared of water, but
So guys, you can see this view. तो हम लोग ऊपर जाके आ गए हैं. अभी थोड़ा सा वाटर फन करेंगे, पानी में मस्ती करेंगे, and it's absolutely refreshing. और देखो हमारे भाई भी पूरे नंगा हो चुका है. और देखो देखो ये बहुत सारे कंकर, I mean pebbles you can see over here. So just walk. जो फील मिलता है वो फुटस्टेप में चलते हुए, है कि नहीं? दिस इज़ अमेजिंग यार. तो मैं यहाँ पे यहाँ से मैं लूँगा एक पेबल अपने रूम एज अ मेमोरी. या
30. तो हम लोग का नहाना वहाना खेलना कूदना नाचना गाना सब खत्म. Basically, there is no one here. There's no one here except for the birds. My God, the plants, the trees, the rivers, the mountains, the stones, the rock, the sun above, the clouds above, the sky above. Really nice, serene. Actually जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, but you know, soon now the sun is gonna set. Sun अभी भी आपको ऊपर देख रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी the sun sets a bit early, so we have to trek for another 1.5 hours to the point where we have started. So in another maybe 5-10 minutes, you know, we'll be starting from here. So it was a very good trek, very refreshing.
तो गाइस बहुत ही रिफ्रेशिंग दिन था आज, और देखो कितना खूबसूरत जगह है. छोड़ने का तो मन नहीं कर रहा है, लेकिन क्या करें यार, जाना तो पड़ेगा ही. तो नहाया धोया, पूरा मस्ती किया यहाँ पे पानी में. कैसा लगा जॉन आज का दिन?
No words to express, but it was so good. Basically, this trek was unplanned. We had decided to go for summer trek, but unfortunately or fortunately, that was closed. So we happened to come this way, and no regrets. It's
Yes.
been one of the best treks.
Yeah, all into nature, you know, there's river, water, stones, nature ही nature है यहाँ पे. तो काफ़ी मज़ा आया.
And the
So-
best part is there is no one here. There is no one here. It's only us.
और जब नेचर में आते हो ना, नेचर के बीच में आप जब ट्रैकिंग हो या फिर हाइकिंग आते हो, तो माइंड मतलब क्या है, क्लियर हो जाते हैं. जो क्लैरिटी वाली एक चीज़ होती है ना, वो होती है, और पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग आता है, और कुछ नेगेटिविटी चलता नहीं है. बट मुस्कुराते रहो, मतलब स्माइल करते रहो, खुश रहो, तो नेचर में कुछ ऐसा फीलिंग आता है. तो मुझे यहाँ का जो वाइब है काफ़ी अच्छा लगा है. रियली ऑनेस्टली दिल से बोल रहा हूँ, अमेजिंग डे, फन डे, क्या बोलूँ. ब्लॉग को ऐसे ही एंड करना पड़ेगा. इंस्टाग्राम में आप ज़रूर चेक करो, क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ेदार पिक्चर्स आपको देखने को मिलेगा. यस, तो फ्यूचर में हम लोग और भी ट्रैक करते रहेंगे ना.
Yes.
With this, I come to the end of my vlog. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and do not forget to click on the bell icon. And I would highly appreciate your feedbacks, comments, recommendations. Everything is welcome here. So with this, take care, stay safe, be happy, and keep traveling, keep exploring. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.
This is how our trekking has ended. Just because of this,
Yeah.
just because of this camera, we had to take the umbrella. Otherwise, we were walking without the umbrella. Hachi.
Rain, come again. Little John wants to trek again.